of volumetric analysis. In the previous practical, you have done titration of KMnO4 with Mohr salt. Here you will do it with versus oxalic acid. Okay. Now here in this experiment, first of all, again in the similar way, you have to prepare standard solution of oxalic acid. So for standard solution of oxalic acid, what you are going to do is again here m/40 instead of m/40 you will prepare 1 molar oxalic acid. 1 molar oxalic acid. This is your experiment number 3. 1 and 2 you have done. This is third. 1 molar you have to give here. So depending upon that, you will here 1/40 you will put here 1 and you will do the calculations. Now in the similar way you have to write all these here, and you know that on the white side also you will write aim, and you will write aim on the apparatus required, chemicals required, and result also you have to write on the plain side also. Now after this, once your 1 molar oxalic acid is prepared, so you are going to standardize KMnO4 using 1 molar oxalic acid. So again यहाँ पे आपने 1 molar लेना है. You have to put 1 molar. The equation is given to you. Now again you have to write in the similar way. Again in the burette you have to do the titration. I have already told you the experiment in detail. So again you have to do the calculation. Here you have to keep in mind N1 and N2 आपने क्या लेना है. N1 you have to keep 2 moles of KMnO4 and 5 moles of oxalic acid. Now you are going to pipette out 20 ml of oxalic acid, but the molarity of oxalic acid you have to take here 1 molar, and these reading will be obtained from doing experiment through virtual lab. Now after this, finally you are going to put the result here. So let us see how you are going to do the experiment. So you know that we have already seen this thing earlier also. So here what you are going to do is you are here going to put oxalic acid. Okay, now you can increase the drop rate if you want. Molarity you have taken 1 ml and 20 ml you have taken the titrate. So now again what you are going to do is you are again going to put H2SO4 here. You are going to take your titration flask here. Titration flask. After heating, first of all, after putting H2SO4 you have to heat the titration flask to 60-70 degrees Celsius temperature. Now you will put it below the burette and you will open the nozzle. Now opening the nozzle will start the process, and you have to do it till your solution becomes colorless to light pink. Then you have to stop. So you have to do it. You have to note the reading. You can see here the volume of KMnO4 is continuously decreasing. You will stop it as soon as the colorless changes to pink. So you have to note that reading, and you have to take at least concordant readings. आपने 2 concordant readings लेनी है, and this will be your practical, and you have to do the calculation as you have done for the previous practicals.